Exercise number 74. सर GD बेस्ड स्पीडोग्राफी 60 वर्ड्स अ मिनट स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। ध्यान से सुनिए, ध्यान से लिखिए, फुल स्टॉप कॉमा पे ध्यान दीजिए। पॉज मिलेगा आपको, कॉमा पे थोड़ा कम, फुल स्टॉप पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा। रेडी, स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन, सर, I welcome the general budget as a balanced one amidst our very tight resource position owing to the natural calamities for consecutive years. While it manifests greater concern for upliftment of our poor, it does not disappoint any section of the society. Sir, I do not want to go into the details, but would raise some important points. Sir, after all, India lives in its villages. A sound agricultural economy will give boost to the purchasing power of the village masses, and their growing demand for consumer goods will flourish our industry. The upliftment of the rural poor would be the greatest tribute to Bapuji. Added to this, the recent appeal of the Prime Minister to raise the farm productivity will definitely help us not only to tide over the prevailing effects of unprecedented drought, but also to build safeguard against future calamities. Most of our agricultural lands consist of small holdings. For increasing its yields, it is very necessary to enthuse our farmers to adopt cooperative approach in farming. The government have to be very watchful against any escalation of the agricultural input costs to ensure real remunerative margin for the farm produces. Budget this year will lead to decline in the cost of various agricultural inputs, and with the increased procurement prices of agricultural produces, the farmers are sure to get considerable relief. However, there is a sense of dissatisfaction in our agro scientists. Sir, the pay commission recommendations have not yet been implemented for the ICAR scientists, although 2 years have passed. We have a young and a popular minister who is exclusively in charge of agricultural teaching institutions. I will appeal that the grievances of these scientists should be redressed at the earliest. Mr. Vice Chairman, greater attention is needed for promotion of animal husbandry sector. Although certain financial assistance is presently available for buying cattle, etc., its insurance, etc., there is no concrete program on a national level to have better breed of animals and increased productivity. Lot of animals die due to drought and floods in our country. What are we doing to fill up this vacuum created by different calamities? We should remember that these cattle are great friends of mankind. Whatever is invested on, it is paid back to us by way of labor, nutrition, manures, and even after death, so many things are extracted from their bodies. Thank you. Stop.